Password protecting your documents is a great way of preventing unauthorized people from opening and modifying your files. It's a good idea to do this if you're sending documents by email to clients or suppliers that contain sensitive information. So let's take a look at how you can password protect a Word and Excel file. Start by opening the Word document or spreadsheet you want to encrypt. In this case, we'll use a Word document, but the process is the same for both. Click File in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Then click Info, which is located at the top of the menu on the left-hand side. Click the Protect Document icon, and this will open a drop-down menu. Choose the Encrypt with Password option. A pop-up box will then ask you to enter a password, which will encrypt the contents of the file. It's worth noting at this point that if you forget the password, it cannot be recovered. So make sure you use something that you can remember. And if not, write down a prompt that will remind you, but won't make sense to anyone else. For tips on choosing a secure password, click here. Once you've entered your password, click OK. You'll be asked to re-enter the password. Type it in again and click OK. The Protect Document icon will now be highlighted to show that you have successfully encrypted your document. You will need to use this password each time you want to open the document. Remember, never send the encrypted document and the password to the recipient in the same email, as this can be intercepted. If you're sending frequent documents to a client or supplier, it might be advisable to agree a password beforehand. Alternatively, you can call them or text them with the password. We hope you found this useful. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.